Good morning, second grade. Ms. Fogelman here today for your reading lesson. Let me share my screen. All right, so today our learning target is I can make a connection to a scientific concept in a text and answer questions about it. Yesterday we read about water erosion and made connections to the text that we are reading about. So if you remember yesterday, we talked about erosion and we answered some questions about what it is and where it happens. Let's review our anchor chart on scientific concepts. They explain things that happen in nature. Why do things happen? How do things happen? And how do things work? Examples of our scientific ideas are gravity, life cycles, natural disasters, or states of matter. All right, let's read further about erosion. Erosion is the movement of rocks and dirt. Erosion happens when wind, water, or ice moves rocks, soil, or dirt. Wind can blow soil. This moves it to another place. Water can wash away soil or even move heavy rocks. Ice from glaciers can move rocks as it travels down a mountain or melts. All right, so we know that this text tells us about erosion, but what is erosion? Well, if you look into the first sentence, it says erosion is the movement of rocks and dirt. Okay, so we know that when erosion happens, something, whether it something natural in the environment, is moving the rocks and the dirt. Which of the following does not cause erosion? So our choices are wind, ice, or clouds. And remember, it does say does not cause erosion. So let's look back up into our passage. And if you read the second sentence, it says, erosion happens when wind, water, or ice moves rocks, soil, or dirt. So it's wind, water, or ice. So wind we know does, ice we know does, but it does not say anything about clouds. So our answer would be C, clouds, because it asks us what does not cause erosion. All right, so our last question is, someone built a sandcastle by the ocean. A wave came and knocked it down. Is this erosion? All right, so let's look back up into our passage, and it says, erosion is the movement of rocks and dirt. Well, we know that sand is considered rocks and dirt. So let's further read. It says erosion happens when wind, water, or ice moves rocks, soil, or dirt. Okay, so we have water, okay, because the wave came and knocked it down. And then it says this moves it to another place. Okay, well, when the wave goes back out, we've seen that it takes sand, rocks, things like that with it, seashells, all of those things go with the wave when it goes back out into the ocean. So yes, a sandcastle being knocked down is a type of erosion. All right, so today in Shobi, there is a Google form for you to take. Make sure you do that before you move on to your next subject today. All right, have a great day.